Hello guys, welcome back to another car tutorial. Today, well, this is technically it kind of goes anything really. But today we're going to be learning how to make your car a low poly count. Before we get started, for any new people, properties and explorers, make sure you have them open. It's under the view tab. And another thing I want to make sure you guys have is Blender. Yeah. Because we have to do stuff in Blender. Yeah. Okay. I'll leave the description down in the description to get Blender. Wow. Okay. So, if I were you guys, I will get everything separate. So, my hood is separate, front bumper, rear bumper, get everything separate. I'm doing everything, like, yeah. That's what you have to do, so to avoid the triangle thing. Now, I have already grouped my and named my hood. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure everyone should know how to do this. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to hood, or your model, whatever you named it. And you're going to right click it, and you're going to do export selection. And in export selection, you can pick wherever you want to save it. You know, downloads, desktop, yeah, whatever. And you save as whatever file. Save as whatever name. So I already have that done. I'm going to go with my Blender. And when you first load into Blender, you're going to see a cube. Go on top right click cube and delete because you don't need it. Now on top left, you're going to see file. In file, you're going to go to import, and in import, you can go to OBJ. Now I'm going to go to my downloads. You can go to wherever you put your hoods and stuff. These are like my attempts. I'm going to go to S2000 hood low, which is my hood. Now here you're going to see this. And let's move it here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold left shift and you're going to click the thing. If you don't know how to move, you can press shift and middle mouse. If you don't know how to rotate your thing, just hold middle mouse and move around. Now what you're going to do, once you click it, then you can press join. Set origin to geometry to origin. I'm pretty sure I set those wrong, but whatever. And don't mind the weird shading, that's all normal. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the scene. And in scene, you're going to go to length. And in length, you're going to turn into metric. Now, unit scale, you're going to turn that into 0.01. Okay? Once you have that, you're pretty much done there. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to, at the bottom left, you're going to see object mode. You're going to go there, click object mode, and you can go to edit. Now, in edit, you're going to go to, well, you're not doing anything. You're going to press Command Shift, and you're just going to start clicking away. Oh, you have to click this. Sorry. You have to click face, and you're just going to click. Yeah, click, 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 click. So you're going to keep on clicking. I would speed this up, but I'm too lazy to pull out my recorder. Yeah, I don't know. Almost done anyway, so we're good. And now once you have that all clicked, you're going to go to delete, and you're going to delete faces. There you go. Then you delete everything around it. Now if you look, go back into the video, go back a little bit, you see the triangles going down, and so everything else. Now you're going to see this really weird shading. To get rid of that, you're going to go over here, over here, and you scroll a little bit using your middle mouse, and you're going to see object data, and you're going to turn auto smooth off. Now if you go to object mode, looks like how it was supposed to be. Then you can go to file, and then top left file, and then you can go to export, and then in export you can go to FBX. Now you can go to downloads, and then, or wherever you want to put it, and you just make a thing. I'm gonna name mine Plebby, because why not? I don't know. Export the FBX. After that, you're pretty much done, and you can exit out if you need to. Now, back in Studio, you're gonna right-click the ground, or wherever, and you go to Mesh Part, and click Mesh Part. Now, in Properties, you can see Mesh ID. And then you're going to click that. And then you see this folder, you're going to click that as well. So, now, here's my file, Plebby. I'm going to open it. And here's my hood. Now I can just put it the same color. It should be that, right? Steel blue, steel blue. And then a 0.2, I think. No, 0.5. 15, my bad. Yeah, there you go. Now, we just gotta get in directly in the middle. So I'm just do position that. And position this. And don't worry guys, it should be all the same. I'm gonna change this color for a bit. And move it up. And move it down. Up a bit. Yeah, this tutorial took me about I think a couple tries. Oh god. Okay, so now, once you have it in the right place, you can just move it by one step, move it back, and I can turn it back to steel blue. Now you see, if I move it down just a tiny bit, there you go. Now that is pretty much it, and yeah, you see through it, but outside they can't see it. And this is really a good way to lower your poly and pretty much lower lag. Yeah. Leave a like if you enjoyed. I doubt any of you guys enjoyed.